Hey guys, it's Evan with McLean's RV here in Sanger, Texas. You know I got an exclusive one for you, new from Open Range, guys. It's going to be here. We're going to have the 29 RLDS from Open Range. I love what they've done. Great floor plan, very sought after. A lot of couples coach. They go after the dual pose and slide rear living. I love what they've done. They got some updated stuff here. I love what they've done through the pass-through storage here. They even have a little opening here just in case you got to let some water out. You got your charge controller there. You have your prep as well if you want to bring some entertainment outside. You're gonna be able to do that with the TV. You got some speakers located there. So you're gonna have those speakers if you want to have some outdoor entertainment. You have the speakers, you have the solid steps. Open Range has done a great job here. You also get the 3-year structural warranty that they offer. And also you can hit on their tire warranty that they put on there for everybody to see. This is a great coach for people that want to start entering into the fifth wheel market. This is going to be something similar to a huge big front living fifth wheel or a rear living fifth wheel. Those are very popular floor plans, but this rear living here, come on in, let's take a look. As you guys can see here in the rear living, the dual opposing slides, this is a very similar floor plan to a lot of other manufacturers making. Open Range is offering that. This sofa here will pull out to a full bed for full size adults. Children can come along with you and sleep. A lot of customers do appreciate having the actual fireplace with the TV. And one thing that's nice about the positioning of a dual opposing slides that you're positioned right across from the TV in your recliners. I know that's a big thing for a lot of my customers. They do appreciate when they have the recliner right across from the TV, and that's what this actual dual opposing slide does for a lot of my folks, which I do appreciate. You have some USB charging ports here as well, so you can charge your phones and everything while you're sitting here watching TV. Also, if you guys want, you guys have the space to sit here and eat. You do have an ottoman that does free float, and this is going to have a lot of storage. That's huge. You can put a lot of blankets, things that you need while you're in transit there. Also, you have a beautiful table that you can use here. It flips open, and you can extend out. Just that easy. Gotta love that. Got a beautiful island. This is going to be hard countertops. You do get a little plug here as well for your convenience. If you want to set up your blender or whatever you need right here, you can do that, and that is available to you. As we come around here, you're going to have your 3-burner cooktop. You're going to have a stove here. You're going to have plenty of storage. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty long there. So as you can see, plenty of storage, guys. And that goes all the way across. Once again, that counter on both sides to be able to do your prep space, even with a window. Gotta appreciate that. And then of course you got your pantry here. That's going to be adjustable cells. The light comes on, so you're going to hide all the cookies and goodies in there if you need them. Let's see here. You got your refrigerator, freezer at the bottom. Keep everything nice and cold. That's going to be a 12-volt refrigerator, so you are good there. You're going to have your microwave right here. A little different. Not over the stove, over here and out the way. Kind of little breakfast, little nook, little coffee bar kind of deal here. You got plenty of storage as well in this. Hide your keys, your junk drawer, everything you need. There's a little fan over here. Yeah, that's awesome. Let's see here. So, I mean, guys, you gotta love all this stuff here. As I take you guys back up here, I'll take you upstairs as well. As we come into the master bedroom here, I'll let you guys get in here with me. You got plenty of space to lay out on this queen. So it's enough space for me and whoever wants to join me. You got your little space here for your cubbies for your phone, anything that you want to keep out the way, maybe keep some books in here as well. You can do that. You do have some plugs for your phone, CPAP machine. I love the space on the nightstands. So definitely a full CPAP machine here. There is some As you can see on that side, you got some drawers below as well. So I do appreciate that. Oh yeah, you got plenty of drawers there. And also this here is a slide, but this is going to be your wardrobe slide. So this slide kicks out, give you a little bit more wardrobe space here. So this just came. You got some hanging storage here that you can do. You get some more storage back here as well. And once again, this is all on your wardrobe slide. So that pushes out for you guys, okay? Gives you a little bit more space. You got your shower here. I'm 5'9", and I got plenty of room, especially when it's radius like this. Hey, there I am. I'm back again. Let's check this. All right, it's porcelain. I got plenty of room. I don't like the toilet paper handle being right there. That kind of bumps into it, but I can make it work. I've seen a little bit tighter, but this is a decent space here. Also, I do got some storage here. I do like that. Now this is interesting. I wonder what's in here. Oh, a little storage. Never seen a little drawer like that. Let's see what we got. I'm sure it's the magnet cabinet that opens. Yep. Huh. Well, guys, I'm telling you, this does the trick for any couple out there that want to bring a little friends or family with them every now and again, but it's mainly going to be for couples. My name's Evan Gray. You can find this at any one of our locations. I'm at the Sanger location. We got a location in Rockwall. We got a location in Fort Worth. We have a location in Denton. We have a location in Kerrville, Oklahoma City. Please give me a call today. The number's below. And thanks for everybody for your time.